This is Evangelist Dr. Robert L. McKim Sr. from Carrollton, Ohio. It is a very windy day today. The wind is starting to pick up real strong here. It's been blowing the roofing off my porch. As you can see, there's some roofing laying right here that I had to go pick up. Now I don't even have any roofing at all in this one area here. My porch roof has been kind of rotting away because the roofing has been getting some holes in it from time to time, and it doesn't help also when the roofing keeps blowing off. There was a piece of roofing that was laying up there somewhere, so that there was blowed off when this metal flashing when had a strong wind gust of 25 miles an hour. As you can see, also my wind on my weather station is going crazy. Trying to see here if it came off already somewhere, landed somewhere on this bin. Well, I think it's up on my roof somewhere. Hasn't blown completely off yet. Because a little while ago I came out and looked, and it was laying on top of my house trailer. Somewhere there. Oh yeah, it's still up there. You can see it from here a little bit better, actually. And maybe I zoom in here. You can see it laying up there on my house trailer roof. It's coming off in several different places on my porch roof. I have some good roofing, plywood, and some rotted plywood. Last time my sons came up and worked on it for me. He replaced a lot of wood and roofing, and well, they can't come up like they used to and help dear old Dad. So that means I gotta find somebody else that's willing to come help me. Willing, that is. Willing. There's not a lot of people that are willing to help anybody anymore. You know, this being Thanksgiving Eve, I'm thankful for what roof I do have on over my head. Thankful for a vehicle that I constantly have to repair to keep on the road, because I can't get rid of it since I borrowed money on it several times. Thankful for food. Thankful for churches that help with food. There's going to be somebody coming sometime here, hopefully shortly, bringing us a turkey meal that's already prepared meal just hanging on with this wind. Like my antennas up there, as you can see, they're hanging on too. Blowing in the wind, hanging on for dear life. Well, I gotta get off here because I got other things to do. I'll be posting another video tomorrow about Thanksgiving. God bless you. Have a blessed day.